Hi, Sean Wellman here from Wellman Finance for another market update. You would have seen recently that the Reserve Bank has kept the cash rate on hold again. Now this was expected, but if you go back last year, most economists were predicting interest rates going up in the middle of 2018. That hasn't happened. Now those same economists are predicting that the Reserve Bank will put the cash rate up at the end of 2019 and see that interest rates may go up at the end of 2019. So why has this forecast changed? Well, the main reason is that housing prices across Australia, particularly in Melbourne and Sydney, are starting to come down. They were going up way too quickly and the Reserve Bank was a little bit concerned, and a big deterrent for housing prices is to increase the interest rates. They haven't had to do that because the tightening lending standards of the bank, it's more difficult to borrow money now, and what we've seen with the tightening lending standards is that's actually started to put some pressure on housing prices. What we're seeing with our clients is that we've had a lot of first home buyers who have had a pre-approval for 6 or 12 months, been missing out at auction. Suddenly now they're getting opportunities and they're entering the market because the prices, particularly locally in Melbourne, have got a lot better for those first home buyers without as much investment competition. A little bit more difficult for our investor clients who are looking for their next purchase. So what we're trying to help them with is navigate through and find the right lender which may have a bit more lenient lending policy so they can actually look at getting their next purchase, or if they can't do it now, putting them into a position where they can go and purchase in 6 or 12 months. So they've been the greatest changes that we're seeing in the local market as a result of these tightening policies. The last thing I want to leave you with today is that if you are looking to purchase, whether it's an investment property, buy your first home or upgrade your home, it's really imperative that you speak to your broker and get a pre-approval and make sure that everything's ticked off before you put your hand up at auction or make an unconditional offer. We'll see you next month for our next market update.